So it has gotten to the extent that you no longer have respect on your elders. Eh? You don't greet your elders.
Hey, who they breathe? Who they breathe? I've been at the goat where they bleed. Say waiting. Greet you. Greet you as what? No, answer me. What am I greeting you as? As your daughter? Or you look like my beautiful mother in the house? Let
me tell you, is that you're very stupid or you were not properly trained. Oh, in a one that you can't greet me. I don't blame you, Osa. I don't blame you. Let me tell you, I have your mates at home who greet me. Good morning, good afternoon, good as and when do. Every time I need it. So I don't need your stupid greetings.
Animal they greet you for your house. Your children, all of them are animal. You are what?
When you see your elders, you learn to respect them. Idiots. If I get you, I will kill you. I will kill you. Okay, Mama. Okay, you have to stand. Stand up now. Stand up. Stand up. Hey, stand up. Okay, Chuku. Stand up. Oh, on actually my POS. Come on. Okay. Do your POS. This is our table. You stay on top of her and collect your money. Free of charge. Come and do your POS. So you are doing POS on my body. You are doing POS. Do your POS. Come and do your POS. She make way. Okay, you can't do that. For this money. Bring money now. Bring money. If I want.
Okoro.
Amadi.
What I'm passing through now is getting out of hand. Please, my bosom friend, I want you to take me to that Dibia so that I will go and protect myself and the family. Because what I'm passing through now is getting out of hand. Please, as a bosom friend of mine, I want you to take me to that Dibia so that I will go and protect myself and the family. Because what I'm seeing now is no longer physical.
Amadi, this landing in context, tell me the truth. Is it yours?
Okoro, that question is irrelevant. I don't expect that question from you. You're asking me the land, is it mine? Will I go and take somebody's land?
Bamba, I just want to be double sure. I want to know what I'm doing. Ijakwa dibia nere ozabo.
Isinabo.
Nere isinabo.
You see this life, Okoro? Whatever thing you do, people must talk. If you do good, oh, problem. You do bad, oh.
Greetings, Iche.
Oh, the guard from the palace, you are welcome.
Iche Amadi, the king demands your presence immediately. Yes, sir.
Okay. Go. Tell him that I'm coming.
Thank you.
If again.
This one that the king is requesting for your presence.
That is why I need protection. It's
okay. Go and see the Igwe first.
I think that should be the best.
Go and see the
before we know what to do.
Mazi Amadi, I called you here to hear your own side of the story.
Igwe, may you live long.
Yes,
Igwe, I am his elder brother, and the particular land in question was inherited by me. So why is he reporting me? By the way, where is our law that junior brothers has the right to lands? Where?
Igwe, I want you to ask him if our father gave him that portion of land. Let him answer.
Oh.
Amadi,
Igwe.
If that land does not belong to you, give it back to your brother.
Igwe. That land belongs to us.
Which land? Amadi, which land?
Agozia, don't start. Don't just start. Stop shouting at me. Don't
if I shout, what will you do? What will you do, Amadi? Amadi, Amadi, you can't do anything. Amadi, you can't do anything.
I have to call Okoli moment and let him know what is going on. He has to fight for me. Why would I get beat me like that? Oh no, man, now. Would I beat her mother? Okay. You have killed me. Okay, I want you to start coming now. Start coming before they kill your mother. They've almost killed me. They have killed your mother here. Okay? Now, just start coming. Please. If you want me alive, just come. Because you don't ask any question, just come. Okay? Mama, can't you Kenegi? Why do you always like putting on fire all the time? Tell me. Why?
My little idiot. Stupid girl. Were you there? Did you see me when I came back? Eh? Did you see what they did to me? How did they beat me up? Were you there? In a name. In a say, where is it? Eh? Because you were not at home when I came back. Korea. I'm off here. Anyway.
Mama Biko, please. It's time you end all this. It's not good.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm only telling you what you do. It's not good.
Okay.
Oh, my neck. I'm off here, idiot. Come and say again. Yeah? Or you won't come.
Stupid girl. Are you okay? Ow.
Hi. Okay. Boy, what is it? They beat up my mother.
Can you imagine? How could my mother here? They beat my mother up.
Okay.
Hey!
Look, you know what will happen? Just calm down. You understand? Calm down. Don't worry. Just calm down. And so
my mother just called me. My mother just called me and told me that they beat her up. Can you imagine? He ain't get me these people. He ain't get me down. If I no kill somebody.
No. Okay, no. That is not how to handle things. Please, you need to calm down. Please.
Then which other way to handle it?
No. You need to calm down. I understand that they beat up your
So
mother.
how am I going to handle? How am I supposed to handle it?
You just
I'm telling you that they beat my mother up. You're telling me that I should calm down. Go to Messi handles here. Now your mother they beat. You know yala.
You calm down.
Okay, I'm not the talk that nonsense.
Obi etiwago mu ife nwanne mere nwanne ya ọ na-agbawa obi obi agbawago mu obi etiwago mu ife nwanne mere nwanne ya ọ na-agbawa obi
What happened? Okay, take it easy. Tell me exactly who did this to you. Who? Ifeoma touched you.
She was actually using her POS at my back. But I was not over. It's Ifeoma.
Ifeoma begging her. Ifeoma did this to you. What check how much she buy from Okoli this night? What check how much she buy Okoli this night? What I'll do to Informer, eh? What I'll do to her this night, eh?
Just I'm going to figure me. I want you to struggle her. Struggle her. Speak. I love you. I want you to kill her. I love you. Tomorrow come and try again.
Where's that useless child? Where's that useless child? Just go come out and let me deal with you. Where's that useless child? Come on!
She's at the shop.
At the shop, eh? Okay, that's nice. Then, I am going to pour the whole anger on you. I can't believe you are here. And if someone did this to me.
Eh? Brother, I'm just hearing this for the first time. Oh.
For the first time?
Yes. Mama, who beat you up?
It was Informer. Hey.
My own mother.
Yes.
See, war is about to start. Oh.
Anyway, the war has started already because I've gone to show her a little.
Eh? You have beaten her up. You have beaten her up.
Of course.
Hey!
Of course.
My brother.
I've taught her a little lesson that she will never forget in life. Anyway, do you know what? I think I have to come and start staying in this village. Let me see who will do
let them know that I have a son. Very strong one.
I think I have to come back to this village and live here. Yeah?
Brother, you have to come. Rubbish. You have to come.
Yes, you go see me now. Okay. If you eh?
Oh, dalu, come better, Bessia.
Mama, just a little sound.
Thank God, come with his
Ife nwanne mere nwanne ya ọ na-agbawa obi obi agbawago m obi etiwago m ife nwanne mere nwanne ya
No, you think you can run now? I mean, you think you can hide? Eh? You think you can run now? But my God has caught you. Come, let's talk. Come now. Come. You know we are sisters. You know you are my lovely sister. Informer! Oh, my blinking foul. Informer! You charge my POS. Want to withdraw money? Savannah Bank, Access Bank, Echo Bank. Come and withdraw money. Nyawa.
Obi agbawago m obi etiwago m ife nwanne mere nwanne ya ọ na-agbawa obi
big front and big back. I'll come back. Okay! You see Okay and his sister. In fact, the whole family. Then look me finish thinking I mean they won't intimidate. I will deal with them one after the other. I will deal with them mercilessly.
But seriously, you need to take things easy.
Yeah? Guy.
For real.
Which one be take things easy? I be like Mr. Easy for your eye. I dey sing. I be musician. I no want vessel. I no want vex. I go run enter all of them. Every one of them. They no believe am. I just dey wait for them. Meanwhile, what do you bring?
I bring watermelon.
Guy, you be mugu.
What did I do you?
What you they do me? So as you wear big chain, wear canvas, be like recross now. Watermelon, you see say you go carry come. Eh?
For you to they look fresh now. What's up?
Bring I make I manage. I am so angry. I am very, very angry, Mama. Warn these people. Warn them, Mama. Because right now I am so angry. In fact, as it stands, I want to go back to the city.
What is it again?
Mama, imagine Ada. Ada Kenya. Ada of yesterday fighting me on the road, Mama.
Again?
Mama, I say again. Yes, I'm not joking about it, though. I'm not joking.
What is wrong with these people now?
Mama, you see these people? You see these people? Whether Ada and her brother, if I catch the two of them, if I'm getting her, Mama, I will kill somebody. I will kill somebody. I don't want to commit murder.
I am going to meet their mother to warn them to leave my children alone.
Mama, you better do. You
Go
better
inside,
do.
I will do that.
I don't want to commit murder.
I will do
I don't want to kill anybody. Think of what?
I will tell them. What is wrong with this thing? Should I? Let me finish and go. What is wrong with these people in this village?
Hey, the war has just begun.
My son, just calm down. Oh, just calm down. You can't go this in video. Cool your temper. Just calm down.
Mama, this is unfair.
What is unfair? Vero? What is unfair? Is it not your mates that are fighting for their right out there? Please get out of this place before I get angry now.
You know what? I just pray school resume and I will leave this house for you people because I'm tired of all these fights all the time. What is it?
And when that school resumes, you will go there and collect your school fees and every other thing. Get out of my sight. Get out. Get out.
Thank God you check
Judas.
Okay.
Judas of the family.
Are you telling us that she did this to you?
Oh. Papa, she's having her own pains now. Yes.
You need to see
what...
you need to see what Okemwam did to her.
There's no problem.
Obi agbawagomu, obi etiwagomu, ife nwanne mere nwanne ya, ọ na-agbawa obi o.
You need to see what I did to her. So I gave her the beating of her life. How can she beat up my mother on Ayala? But thank God I showed her that next time she will not have the mind to touch my mother. What's so funny? What's so funny?
So you are proud and you are happy of beating a lady?
Yes, I'm proud of it.
Really?
Yes. Is that why you're laughing?
I'm very surprised too.
She needs to be taught a lesson, a girl that beats up my mother. And you're telling me this? No problem.
Okay, no problem.
Mama won't go and kitty.
It's okay, no problem.
Mama na pigwe.
I'm very surprised.
You start clapping for her.
Beating a lady.
My friend, allow me to think, I beg.
Go on.
Yeah, what time? 17. Yeah,
I didn't hear you well.
Say you don't hear me well.
I don't hear you well.
As you see me at the para, they vex. Look at Okay. Okay will be like forgotten identity. Had the quotes, the impetus, the effrontery to come and fight me. One way for ma.
Hey! Fear no even enter this Okay. Fear no even enter in eye. See, make I tell you, the way this matter go end, you go dey funny. You go be like empty carton.
It's empty carton. I don't turn Okay to my carton while they put change. Make my customers just bring money come. Now there I go they put up. Okay is my carton. I was just waiting for him. Patiently waiting for him to set the first blow. Guy, I for run enter his spirit. What I would have done to Okay, he wouldn't believe it. Make him just chill. Make him chill. I dey come from. Where is everyone?
I didn't see anyone when I came back home.
Well, I know they. Just leave him. You see this matter? Leave him. When you see Okay, leave him for me.
Hey!
Okay? I don't finish the matter. Just leave Okay for me. Leave him.
Hey! Okay? So Okay want to. Anyway, no problem.
If you like, I go enter village or go stay for some time.
Why?
There's these feelings I'm having that I don't like.
And what feeling is that?
You know, I'm feeling that something bad is going to happen. It's not just a good feeling. I mean, it's not just good.
Okay, tell me, when you get to village, what will you be doing?
Maybe I'll start hunting. You're not talking.
Oh, God.
But you're not talking. What's happening to you?
I don't hunt. Okay, go on.
I know how to hunt. I was doing that when I was younger. Yes. So what's so funny?
Okay, no problem if you say so.
I just want to tell you as my guy. I know something I tell you, make you give me advice.
But you need to be very careful.
Guy, face what they do.
Okay. Oh God. This is very good.
Ebuka, we will show these people what we are capable of doing.
Bam!
What are you guys using this rope for?
This rope, we want to use it and go and tie it in that our land. So that anybody that see this rope will grip in fear.
Back down! Una get sense. When mom still gets in her belly, no think abortion. Are you serious?
Yes, now.
Who brought this idea?
Me now.
Ha! My G.
Look one thing. Huh? We just want to scare them so that anytime they are planning or thinking of planting anything in the farm, once they see this rope, they will take rain.
Alright, give me 5. Give me 5. Give me you want hug. Give me 5, Mugu. You see tough now? I'm not so the mother brothers. You guys are my brothers. You were not adopted. You see this thing? Tie that land round. Anybody that tries to stop you, tie in placenta. Go, if you don't see placenta, tie kidney. Go. Tie the placenta, join the land. Are you serious? Oh, no. This is a very good idea. Tie
Go. Go round a bit. I think it's okay now. No. Let's act. See this one. Let me know how they will come to. They are mad, okay? And his family are mad. Right, go. They are mad. Let me see what's this. Keep going. Oh yeah. Yes, go more. No. Have ya. They are using our brain. Hold on. Come. Bring that one. Tight. Come. They are mad. Okay, and his family. No, what they done? So go tight there. Go. Ebuka, let me see how they will not fear. Once they set their eyes on that rope, we will tie it on that land. Let me tell you, haven't you heard that village people fear red rope? Anything red? Are you not watching it in television or full red or Torikara? Talk go see there now. What are you saying? What, Ebuka? Let me ask you. Who taught you that kind of a thing? Are you asking me? Am I not your senior brother? Let me tell you the truth. When you stay like this, sometimes you need to think above your thinking. You know, you elevate your thinking. We put it and we unleash the dragon. Brother, you did well. You did well along. We did it. Not only me, we did it. You're right, we did it. Yes. Let me know if these people are not afraid of red rope. Okay. Oh, they thought we are city people, so we cannot do anything in the village. I had an NS film. See, what we just showed them
It's city madness.
In Akako.
That is what we just kept them.
We are just in Genesis. I but I Malachi and Melo Fall. Oh no, no be like.
Mama, look. What is the meaning of this? Mama, what is the meaning of this?
This was the feelings I was having when I was in the city.
Hey!
And it has started happening.
Olugotua!
So this is the feeling I was having when I was in the city. Eh? It has started happening already.
Hey! Nobody should go close to that land. None of you should enter that land, Bikon. Kwara North, Bikon. Eh?
Mama, so they've started visiting native doctors for this.
What do you expect?
Hey!
What do you expect?
My husband will say this. We will not enter the land until my husband finds solution to this nonsense they are doing. Man, I go out at Kwamo. I go out at them because I know this is nonsense. Man, I'm so glad we will show our husband this. Your father will see this.
Then when?
So let's go back. Okay, let's go back. So what? Look at them. I thought we were dealing with human beings. Let's go. Hey. So what? Hey, yeah. Okay, see ya. Come on. No problem. Yeah, you. So it has gotten to the extent that you no longer have respect on your elders. Eh? You don't greet your elders. Hey, who they breathe? Who they breathe? I've been at the goat where they bleed. Say waiting. Greet you. Greet you as what? No, answer me. What am I greeting you as? As your daughter? Or you look like my beautiful mother in the house? Let me tell you, is that you're very stupid or you were not properly trained? Oh, in a one that you can't greet me. I don't blame you, Osa. I don't blame you. Let me tell you, I have your mates at home who greet me. Good morning, good afternoon, good as and when do. Every time I need it. So I don't need your stupid greetings.
Animal they greet you for your house. Your children, all of them are animal.
You are when you see your elders, you learn to respect them. Idiots. If I get you, okay. I will kill you. Okay, Mama. Okay, you have to stop. Stand up now. Stand up. Hey, stand up. Okay, Chuku. Stand up. Naturally, my POS. Come on. Okay. Do your POS. This is our table. You stay on top of her and collect your money. Free of charge. Come and do your POS. So you are doing POS on my body. You are doing POS. Do your POS. Come and do your POS. She make way. Okay, you can't do that. Make the hinder. Oh yeah, for this money. Bring money now. Bring money. It's a what? Nine. These people have deposited charms on our land. We'll go first everywhere on our land. Eh? And I wonder who would have done this nonsense. You need to see Otwes will parade where catch you everything. My own land, our land. Eh?
Papa, I'm planning to build a mansion on that land. Papa, if nothing is going to be done so fast to protect that land, I might go extra mile for them.
Nobody can stop you. That very land, you must build that house. You must build that house. Nobody will stop you.
Hey, Papa, you are relaxed like this because you didn't see what we saw.
I saw it. And I know they are coming. And I'm fully prepared for them.
I told you people that your father needs to see it. Then we know what to do.
Stop panicking. Okay. Just keep your ears on the ground from tomorrow. Chifo,
Papa.
I said, keep your ears on the ground.
No. Take our basin inside.
Who did this?
But I should be asking you now. Huh? Who did this?
It's okay. They have started again. There's no problem. It is well. Can we go? Let's go. Let us go.
Yeah.
Tell them not to touch a tiger's tail, whether dead or alive. They have started. Come, let's go. Allow it. Let's go. They have started again, and I will handle them.
My princess, I greet you.
How are you?
I'm fine, my princess. I'm fine. And you?
What happened to your hair?
Oh, it's just a little scratch. One can see cheese somewhere.
But you are fine.
Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Okay, that's good. I will see you around.
Okay, my princess.
Okay. Bye.
You take care. Eh?
All right.
Yeah. Come. Sit. I want to ask you something. When did the princess enter this village? Since when?
I think 2 months ago. But why are you asking? Hope all is well.
2 months ago?
Yes.
Yes, all is well, no problem. Okay. You can go and continue with what you're doing.
Let me go and prepare food.
Ago.
What kind of rubbish is this? What kind of rubbish is this? What have I done to Amadi? What have I done to Amadi? What kind of rubbish is this? Hi! What is this?
No.
Hi! Can you imagine that Amadi denied me, even in the presence of the king, that I am not the owner of that land?
Papa, what were you expecting? No, tell me, what were you expecting? For him to say, oh, the land belongs to you. When I talk, you people say Foma talks too much. Look at what is happening. It's not just sitting down, shaking our leg and looking into space. We need to do something. If it's to fight, Papa, we wear our khaki, go there and fight. Papa, why is Uncle Amadi doing this to us?
I don't know.
Why is he doing this to us?
I don't know. I have done everything for him. I don't know why he's against me. I don't know why he wants to take my land.
Papa, let's just do the right thing. Let us do the right thing. It is not just sitting there. I'm saying it though. I am saying it, Papa.
You need to fight. We need to fight. Look at your head. Next time, your eyes. Before you know it. That's your problem.
It is nothing, Mama. They will not do anything to me. Let them wait. He broke my head. He should wait. I will give him one leg.
It's all right.
It's not enough. It's not enough. You never get anything with peace. You never get anything with peace. We will fight for our rights, Mama.
You know you are my cousin and you are the only one I can talk to. I know our family have been having problems with each other, but I am not in support of that at all.
I want to ask, is this how we are going to live in this earth, fighting every day by day? Well, I called you out here to beg you to please talk to your parents to leave that land for us, Biko.
I have been speaking my mind, but it seems it's not working. I wish school resume. Let me leave this village for them because I'm tired of all these fights every day by day. I'm tired.
I seriously want peace to reign. Let peace reign because this is getting out of hand before something bad happens. Let peace reign.
I'll keep telling them the truth. I'll keep telling them to remove their hand from evil. Don't want problem.
I'm just tired of everything. I'm just tired. I don't know what is going on. I don't just know.
I don't think this is ordinary.
I'm just tired. I'm just tired. Something needs to be done before it gets out of hand.
You are right.
Where are you going with that sweet flax?
How is that your business? Please get out of my way.
Machi, you want to go and give Uchenna food that you put love potion inside? It will not happen. It won't. I won't take it from you.
What are you even saying?
It will not happen. I said it will not happen.
Okay, get out of my way. I'll go.
You push me. Push me. Machi, push me. Push me! Stupid girl. You want to go and put love potion? Good afternoon, my co-wife.
And what are you doing in my house?
I came to speak with you now.
Speak with me about what?
Let's stop this fight. Let's stop it. See, listen, if you advise your husband to desist from his wicked ways, he might change. Huh?
Are you done? Is that all?
We need peace in this family, especially amongst our children. We need it.
I'm going to face that road. Out of my house. Get out.
It's like you've not been listening to me.
To know what nonsense? I said get out of my... You go follow that road.
Stop pushing me!
I said don't stop pushing me. I said leave my house.
I will leave. But don't forget, there is no rest for the wicked.
Oh, you know I am wicked.
Yes, there is no rest for the wicked.
You put a bridge off. No, I will be your love. I'm not even from our drive. We can't go. Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house. We can't. We can't. I don't know. We can't.
Obi agbawago etiwagomu ife nwanne mere nwanne ya ọ na-agbawa obi obi agbawagomu obi etiwagomu ife nwanne mere nwanne ya ọ na-agbawa obi alilebuemu Zabazi odogwu onye gburu nwanne ya n'ụwa a ga-etu ya odogwu ọkwa maka akụwa ka m ji gbara aka nwanne gbara aka nne na nna chimi nọzikwa nso ọkwa ka i were ritasi ya ka i jiri chezọ na mụ na gị bụ ofu gịnị ka mere gị. What have we done to deserve this wickedness from you? What have we done to deserve this wickedness from you? Anile bueno, anile bueno, anile bueno.
Since you came back, I've been looking at you. I know something is wrong. What is it?
Nah. If you see what Agatha, your brother's wife, did to me.
What did she do?
She beat me up. Just because I went to her house to tell her to allow peace reign.
Why did you go there? Why did you take your legs and go there? Why did you do that? You don't need to do that.
No, I don't know. But see that woman, she's an evil person.
Oh, now you know. My brother married his own type. Listen, we have to allow them to be. Let us be on our own side. Have you taken drugs?
Yes,
Pain relief?
I have.
It's okay. Please, allow them to be on their own page. Let us be on our own page.
I've heard.
How are you? I'm fine, my princess.
You are fine, right?
Yes, my princess.
Okay. Do you know that guy that greeted me earlier today?
Yes, my princess.
Who is he?
His Maziamali's son.
Oh.
One of the famous cabinet members.
Okay, okay. What does he do for a living?
I don't know, my princess.
Oh, never mind.
Thank you, my princess.
Since you collected my food, you're not going to see him.
Machi, put home. Machi, pour water on me. Machi,
yes.
You pour water on me, Machi. You pour water on me. Machi, pour water on me. So this is how you want it. I will give you more. Machi, you see what?
I need it.
Machi, you see what?
I want it.
Machi, you see what?
I want it.
Machi,
yes. I want the
you want
war.
it?
Yes.
Machi, it's because I'm a busy flock.
Hey, what will you do?
Machi, what will you do to you? Machi,
what will you do? If I see you again,
Machi, it's what I'm bending down. It's what I'm bending. Machi, are you serious? This is a pakoto. Shut up! This is a pakoto, Machi. If I
drop down your hands.
Say Machi, Machi, I will do.
You mean he gave her something to eat?
I follow me, Aja, no case. I follow you. It's Capomia. You know, by now you should have known your mother. I miss me. I love candy. Mom, hey, what can I do without you? I boom your strength now. No chem. When a thief comes up on a beat here, to say, "My piano, Polaja, ne poya kana phone." Where's the sister?
I don't know where she is. I met no one when I came back.
So what? Just go in and finish cooking and eat your food. I just go Dikeh.
Okay.
Muncha.
Wow. How have you been enjoying the beautiful weather of our kingdom?
Father, I have been in this village for a month now.
I know. But you are enjoying the weather, right?
Yes,
it's
Father.
Nice, right?
Very
Feels
nice.
good on the skin, right?
Yes, I'm enjoying it.
Princess.
Father.
There is something we need to talk about. Not now. Maybe later.
Okay, Father.
Yes. I'll call you.
Okay, Father.
All right. Okay, so enjoy the scenario.
All right, I will.
What is wrong with both of you? What is wrong with both of you? Don't you know your mate anymore?
What are you even saying? For what? What will you greet you?
Ask him.
For what?
Are you mad?
You have sense. You have sense.
Hey, next time, if this happens again, you hear me lost senses.
Hey!
I don't know if you lost your senses.
Can you imagine? Let's teach him lessons he will never forget in his life. Can I do that, if tomorrow, anytime you see us, do it to one.
Almighty, because excuse me, can't condemn on the bullshit. Oh yeah. Let's do it.
Let's go from the leg.
This is what I have respect. Oh, from the leg, eh?
Yes.
Hey, go. Hey, go. Hey! You don't see them. Excuse me,
He's not gonna have you.
What will you do? Tell us what you want to do. What will you do? Hey, Mama, those children have really touched the tail of the tiger. What did they do again when they took down what did they do? Big on me. Mama, they fought me. Those two guys fought me. Mama.
Okay, well, don't you know how to handle this kind of thing? In most cases, here, handle this kind of thing.
No, I don't understand that.
You would have targeted one of them. You won't go there when you see me and Mimi. But you like an idiot, because I will also. You that one will run. You can't fight people at the same time.
Mama, you're correct.
What do I need to see?
Mama, I don't have to say anything.
You have to go, you have to be planned. Next time if I can get you for it, just get to office.
Get to know this is what I see now.
I know, come on, go. I fought a lot when I was there. Okay, remember motor. You don't dare me, you don't dare me. Oh my God,
I'll reply.
I don't know everything about you now.
Onye buru nwanne ya n'ụwa ọ ga-azabazi odogwu. Onye buru nwanne ya n'ụwa a ga-eji ya odogwu. Ọkwa maka akụwa ka m ji gbara aka nwanne, gbara aka nne na nna, Chimazikwa nso. Ọkwa ka iwere ritasi ya, ka ijiri chezo na mụ na gị bụ gịnị ka mere gị? What have we done to deserve this wickedness from you?